Welcome to Toddlers.
Hi friends! Welcome back to Piper Peas, where we learn, laugh, and grow. Today we are reading a story about a girl named Tara who learns how to say sorry. Let's go meet her. This is Tara. She's a sweet little girl with puffy brown hair and a big heart. And this is her best friend Zane. He is super fun and he loves robots. Can you say hi to Tara? Say, hi Tara! And now can you say, hi Zane! One sunny morning, Tara and Zane were building a tall tower of blocks. Stack, stack, stack. But, Tara accidentally knocked over Zane's robot. Crash! The toy broke into pieces. Can you say, oh no? Zane looked at his broken toy and his eyes got watery. He was so sad. But Tara did not mean to do it, and she felt really, really bad. Can you make a sad face like Zane? Aw, that's okay. Tara sat down and thought, what should I do now? What do you think Tara should say? Yes, she should say, I'm sorry. Let's say it together. I'm sorry. Can you say, I'm sorry? Say it with me. I'm sorry. Tara walked up to Zane and said, I'm really sorry, Zane. I did not mean to break your toy. Zane looked at her, and guess what? He started to feel a little better. Let's practice together. Say it with me. I'm sorry. Tara said, let's fix it together. Zane smiled and said, okay. They used glue and some tape and worked as a team. Can you pretend to fix something? Grab your glue and tap, tap, tap your tape. They finished fixing the robot. It looked a little funny, but Zane loved it. He gave Tara a big hug. Hooray! They're friends again. Are you ready to sing the apology song? Get up and sing along.
I broke a toy, oh no, oh dear. But I said sorry loud and clear. I'm really sorry, that's what I say to help make things okay. Sorry makes it better, better, better. Sorry makes it better every day. A hug, a smile, and helping too. That's what good friends do.
What a great story! Tara learned that saying sorry helps people feel better, and fixing mistakes is a kind thing to do. Can you say sorry one more time? Say, I'm sorry! You did great, champs! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories with Tara on Piper Peace. See you next time.